What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a BloomChic try on haul. I'm so excited to be filming today. I don't think I've made a video in probably 6 months or so, and honestly, I'm not claiming to be back. I just think my motto for my channel at the moment is just film when I can, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Carlos took the baby to go run some errands, and I thought, what better time than to show you guys what I got from BloomChic recently. I think I have about 7 items to show you guys. I have some really cozy overalls that I'm actually wearing right now, some dresses and some tops. I'm super excited to show you guys. Now, keep in mind, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you probably don't know, but I am pregnant with our second child, another boy. Can you guys believe it? I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I'm actually currently 7 months pregnant. So typically I would get like an 18-20, I would say, in BloomChic, but I did size up to a 22-24 and everything just to ensure it would fit me properly, because let me tell you, I am feeling so big, so big. I feel like my stomach, like right now, is the size of my stomach with my first pregnancy when I was like 9 months, like fully, like all the way along. This second pregnancy, I can tell either baby's bigger or I don't know, it's just doing something different to my body and I'm feeling so uncomfortable. So I did size up to make room for this young man. BloomChic was also gracious enough to give me a coupon code to give to you guys, which is Nicole15, and it will save you guys 15% off the website. They have a lot more stuff, obviously, than what I'm showing you now, so definitely go browse the website. I get a lot of my stuff I wear to work, and even just casual stuff. Like, this is a super casual, comfy outfit, but a lot of my work-related stuff I get from BloomChic because it's just really good quality and it looks super nice. Anyway, that is enough blabbering on my end. Let's get into this haul. So like I said, the first thing I got were these gray stretchy overalls. They are so comfortable. I need you guys to all know that. They are so comfortable and so flowy. Oh, I cannot wait to wear these out and about. Like, this is the perfect piece when you're pregnant and uncomfortable to wear. Like, it's so nice, it's cool, especially for these hot summer days, or if you are in a state or a place where it's a little cooler, you could always do like a long sleeve or wear like a little cardigan over this. Like, it's just perfect. Also, pretty much everything BloomChic sells in the way of like dresses and overalls have pockets, so like, who doesn't love a good pocket? So we got pockets on these bad boys and I am loving them. I'm filming this haul super quick because I'm trying to get done before they get back from running their errands, so I didn't take the tags off of anything because it's the tags that are not like super easy to come off, so excuse that. But this is the next thing that I got. It's just this red top with really pretty detailing at the neckline. This is just a basic, something I can throw on and go to work, something I can throw on for errands or just a casual day. It's kind of like multi-purpose, I would say, but I got it in 22-24 and it is made of stretchy material. The next item I got is another top, and it is this beautiful dusty pink colored blouse. Now, this material is not stretchy at all. They did double line it because the top piece, or the top piece of fabric, isn't kind of see-through, so they double lined it, which is nice. You can wear it with the longer sleeve, or it has this little piece of fabric that you can button up to make the sleeves a little bit shorter. I think this one's super nice. This one's definitely something I can wear to work, wear to meetings, meeting with parents and whatnot. So love this. Once again, 22-24. Okay, the next item is another top, and this is the last top in the haul. It's gonna be kind of hard to tell right here, but you'll see it in the try on portion. This is a really pretty black peplum style top with the prettiest neckline ever. I think this is a contender for what I'm gonna wear to my students' graduation here at the end of the month. I just love this. It is so pretty. Now, the material of the shirt itself is not stretchy, but there is elastic going through the waist. That's what kind of hits you and makes it that like peplum style. Got this in a 22-24 as well, and I freaking love it. I think it's so pretty. Next up is a really fun dress. This dress can be worn off the shoulder. You can kind of have it up on your shoulders. Kind of looks like one of those like milkmaid type of dresses. The entire bust area is made of this super stretchy elastic, and if you guys can tell, it's like a really pretty floral print, and then the bottom has a little bit of a different design. I really like this dress a lot. The material itself is not stretchy, but like I said, there is a panel at the bust that is super comfortable, so cute. Pair this with some sandals for the summer and you are good to go. Got this in a 22-24 and I love it. Okay, the last two items are dresses, and I will say both of these dresses are not quite my style, but I still wanted to get them because just because it's not my style doesn't mean it's not one of your guys' styles, you know? So I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like on a body. So this dress is a tank top dress and it zips all the way down. It is navy blue and it's almost like, I want to call it like windbreaker material, but it's stretchy. So I don't know what material this is. I probably should have looked that up, huh? Does it not say? No. But it is so cute. There's a little drawstring at the waist where you can kind of like accentuate your waist, I guess. I don't know where I was going with that. It just reminds me just like of a little bit more of a sporty kind of a dress. I just thought it was so cute. Even though it's not typically something I would wear, I feel like I might actually wear this one. Like, it's super cute. And once again, if you're in a colder climate, you can pair it with a cardigan or some tights, like whatever you think. But I like this one a lot. 22-24, and it is made of stretchy material. All right, last item is a dress, like I said. It is navy and beige, and it has a tie at the waist, but it is removable, so if you don't want the tie, you don't have to use the tie. It does have like a thin piece of elastic in the waist, so really you don't even need that tie belt. But I really like this one. Like I said, it's not typically my style, but it is something pretty to wear for an occasion like a graduation or something. For me, I have my students' graduation at the end of the month, and I am stressing because I don't know what to wear. But this one is nice. This material is not really stretchy, and I got this one in a 22-24 as well. So that was it for this try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are interested in any of the items that I mentioned in this video, I will have them all linked below, as well as that coupon code if you guys would like to save you some money. I'm telling you guys, BloomChic has some amazing pieces. I've gotten jeans from them before, a lot of like basic tops, a lot of like comfy casual cute pieces like these overalls. So definitely browse their website. I will also try to link some of my other BloomChic haul videos down below as well. Definitely check those out so you guys can kind of get an idea of what they sell. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything, leave it down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.